Here, what we have is the BSA Gold Star 650. If you want na classic talaga, this is it. Standard standard riding position. What we have, classic heritage. BSA is one of the oldest motorcycle brands that we have. Kami nyo, headlight niya, this is not, hindi siya naka LED, but they maintain the round headlight. Tapos this one is water cooled. This has 17-inch front and rear tires. Let me confirm that in a bit. Tapos non-adjustable shocks. Standard cover lang to, so non-adjustable siya. Sa rear, both front and rear uses Brembo brakes. Naka ABS na rin front and rear. And mapapansin nyo, ba't wala dito yung kadena? Because they maintain the original style ng BSA na nasa right side. So let me show you that. Hold on. So there, ito ang stock na exhaust nya, diba? Ang pogi, ang ganda, ang linis tignan. Single comes here and diretso na siya papunta doon. Kadena nandito rin sa right side din. So this one also uses adjustable rear shocks, twin rear shocks.
You know what they say, if you build something that you really like, people are gonna start buying.
So let's look. Ito yung tires niya. They're not tubeless, by the way. So yeah, okay, so just to confirm, this one sa front is 190/18 on the front, tube tires, and they're using Pirelli as stock. Sa rear naman, sa rear it's also Pirelli. It says here tubeless on tube type rims. So baka malito kayo. Tubeless yung gulong pero tube type yung rim. Okay? And this one is riding on 150, 70, 17. So sa front is 100 by 18. This one is 17 sa likod. Okay, so for the specs, spec here, the engine is 652cc liquid cooled double overhead cam, 45 horsepower. The torque, it gives out 55 Newton meters of torque. 5-speed and transmission ito. Cooling system is liquid cooled. Brakes both ABS front and rear using Brembo. Tapos fuel capacity, this is using this has 12 liters fuel tank capacity. Ang bigat naman niya, this is 212 kilos sa dry. So pag wala pang karga, that's 212. Seat height, that's 780 millimeters when you sit. So hindi siya ganun katangkara, hindi siya ganun kataas kapag inupuan ninyo. You can still flat foot this. And again, from the front tire, that's 190 by 18 Pirelli Phantom sports comp tires. Sa rear, that's again 150, 70, 17 Pirelli Phantom sport comp tires. So this is available in sa BSA, and normally they conduct free test rides. So abangan nyo kung pa nag-announce sila kung kailan ang next na pa-test ride nila for BSA. It's worth looking kasi lalo sa mga purists. If you're a purist who loves heritage and classic bikes, this is it. So sa price naman nila, the base price starts at 512,000. Ang pinagkaiba lang nila sa ibang variants ay yung color, like this one. Yan, that one has more chrome. So that's the difference. So pinagkaiba lang nila is mga kulay lang talaga. Okay? But this I love. Ganda ng red niya. just take a look around.
And Tapia Racer wasn't really popular early 2000s.
Oh, by the way,
I started building.
they maintained the classic tachometer. So mapapansin nyo, 0 is nasa taas. So ang under niya pababa pa ganon. Not the standard na pa ganon, na from left to right. This one is from upper right pababa. So what we have here is a tachometer, speedometer, and they have another part here. This one shows the gear indicator and the fuel gauge. By the way, yeah, this one's still by the way, yeah, still front fender, and sa rear most likely still then. Yep, still then. One good looking classic bike from BSA. Binalik nila kung ano yung original looks ng BSA dati, with of course with some improvements. So there you have it. Hope you guys like it. Ciao.